Hi good people, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this lesson or in this upcoming series, we'll be talking about data analysis. So we'll cover this in a five-part series, right? Obviously, the first part will talk about what is data analysis, what are the concepts covered under data analysis. After that, we look at statistical analysis. So statistical analysis is also part of data analysis. So you see, we work with the statistics in data analysis. So under what is data analysis, we'll cover the main types of data analysis, which include prescriptive, predictive, descriptive, and diagnostic data analysis. We'll also look at the business benefits of using data analysis, right? And then the main phases of the data analysis life cycle, etc., etc. After that, we'll look at statistical analysis. Statistical analysis, that is where we will use the statistical methods to analyze a data set. The statistical methods include the mean, median, the mode, a range, going on, right? The central tendency of a data set going on. After that, we look at data set preparation, that is importing and shaping a data set. So from here, we'll be working with Microsoft Excel and Microsoft Power BI or Power BI, right? So we'll be importing data into a data set preparation tool, removing duplicate data, data validation, etc. Going forth, then we'll look at filtering, right? All of these we'll do it in Excel. Then we then go to dataset summarization. That is where we are going to be using pivot tables in Excel to summarize our data so that it doesn't, even if it is bulk, it is easier to understand. Okay, so we can summarize this as a sum. That is where we are adding the data to get the answer of the values, or summarize as a percentage, or what. We will look at that in Excel. We'll be working with pivot tables, right? Then after that, we go to data visualization. Here we'll use data visualization tool, where we normally find in Power BI, even in Excel or spreadsheets, we have them, but we'll be mostly working with Power BI. So these data visualization tools sometimes include working with tables, charts, and the charts. They can be column chart, pie charts, etc. going forth. So that is what we'll be looking at, data set or data analysis in ICDL. So the most important part you should get is the types of data analytics and of data analysis and where we use them. Also the benefits of data analysis. As for the practical, you can get it by practicing again and again and again and again until you get it. So see you in the next video.